Hello guys, welcome back to today's tutorial. How are you all doing? See, I've seen what we have on our screen. Yes. So let's quickly get started. So what we have here is our pattern. So it's into fold now. So what I have here is front and back panel. So I'll be adding up the length while transferring to the fabric. So please watch closely. First, I have to quickly cut it into two parts. It's really simple, guys. Yes, it's simple. And this thing actually came out, this beautiful front twist bubble top came out very beautiful. You know, the camera didn't do me a favor here at all. So we decided to try out this. Yes, this new wig. So the neck weight, I'll be placing a basic neck weight 3 inches. Okay, remember I won't be adding same allowance here, so I will just place it on my fabric. I will transfer it direct to the fabric, so by the time I stitch I'll be having 3.5. But first you connect this way. This is just to indicate the center of our front. So the neck weight we'll be cutting out is just the back panel. There is this twist that we create, that they're going to form the front neck depth. Yes. So let me adjust my camera. So this is it. So first, you place it this way, leaving about 7 inches or 8 inches, depending how long you want it to be on the wrist part. Yes, and the quantity of fabric that you have. So I just place 8 inches here. Try to do with 10, or depending on your preference. So make a row straight through this way for better understanding. So this other part should be the same length with this part. Yes, so I have to quickly pin it down this way. Let me unpin it so I can place it properly for better understanding, guys. So I will flip it this way to place it, to find the midpoint. I wanted to transfer this separate, but I don't have much pattern paper with me, so I will notch right now. Sorry, I have to quickly repeat the neck weight. So 3 inches. So the length of the sleeve, the shoulder line, which will serve as our sleeve, what I have here is 20 inches. Okay, but we could try to do more than that. So while transferring to my fabric, I will add 3 inches. Okay, so the length is 20 inches, 27 inches, within that range, depending how long you want yours to be. Mine is just top. Okay, so I'll be working with 27 inches length of top. That my top length is bubu top length, for better understanding, is 27 inches. So I've opened it up. So I want to place the neck weight. The depth is just 1 inch, and as I said earlier, we'll only be doing this on the back panel. Okay, so I've made a notch ready. So make sure trace it to the back to know the neck weight. So that while stitching, you will just stitch straight to close the shoulder line. Okay, so I'll quickly cut it out this way, flip it to this part. This is our front panel. Okay, this is the part that will serve as our front panel. So you can see the 8 inches I added away from the length of our bubble. Okay, because it's not, the paper is not that long. Yes, so I just decided to draft it with this pattern I have here. So this part now will be slant. First, I had to get that 8 inches away from the standard measurement I have here, that I'm assuming to have here. Yes, so I will make a slant to the shoulder line this way. See, so this other part is straight. Yes, this part is straight. This extension, the reason is this: for the twist. By the time you twist, it won't have any shortage. Okay. So the length I'll be working with 27 inch with just the top. We decide to work with 30. Remember the twist, we consume some inches. Yes. So the shoulder line I'll be working with, because I'll be transferring this, as I said earlier, to my fabric right here. Yes, to my fabric. So the length here, which is shoulder, is 22 inches. Okay, to this point, 20 inches, sorry, to this point, while the length of the top is 27 or 30 inches. Open how long you want your top to be. You have seen the introduction of the tutorial. Okay, so now after you take it back this way, you can see the neck weight just adjusted. So you twist it this way. I'm being careful here because this is a pattern paper. So you twist it this way. You can see. Twist this other part, this sharp part this way. I will pin it first for a better view. Pin it. Use the shoulder line that is to this wrist. Yes. So you could try to twist it more than once. Yes. But while doing that, always consider the allowance. So if you are doing that, you add more allowance to the size seam. So this is how it should look when you are through. So this is the end part. Okay, you can see. So it's very simple, guys. Excuse me. So the wrist part will leaving 7 inches or 8 inches. Okay, then you stitch from that part to the full line, that's the M line of your top. Okay, so I placed 7 inches. So I'll quickly place it this way, 7 inches. So stitch as well to the end part. It's very simple. Aim it all around. That is all. You see. So let's quickly introduce our fabric. So this is fabric I'll be working with. So I have to pin it. Please, if I find it interesting, like, please, if you are new to the channel, kindly subscribe, okay? Comment to help this channel to grow. I love you all. So let me adjust my camera properly. So I'm folding it the same way, my front and back panel together. Yes, then I will just cut it straight, okay? So place it properly. So whatever I'm working with here, same allowance, we're adding everything right on the fabric. Yes. Panel, as I said earlier, front panel does not have neck depth. Yes. So it's a twist that will form the neck depth. So patiently place your pattern on it. So 2 inches. I will cut this part. Sorry, camera couldn't cut off that part. I will cut this part. That is the shoulder line this way. So it will be easy for me to separate the back panel from the front panel. So this is the back panel. So the back panel, I will pick one this way, one of the pieces this way, to create the neck weight and the neck depth, the part which is a back panel. Yes, so I will adjust the front panel. So I'll place this way to cut out this neck weight. The neck weight, what I discovered when I was through is this: if you decide to use 10 inches neck width. Yes, because with that, your twist, the front twist will be more visible. So I'm trying to mark it out now because this is the front panel. So I'll place it, find what I have here. It's total of 7. So I'll place it this way. Okay. So I make a mark this way, slant it this way to the shoulder line. Okay. So cut out this part. It's not needed. Okay. So how slant it is. So we have the front and back panel here. I'm trying to adjust my camera. I want to be sure that it's recording. Yes. It's time to create our twist. Yes. The slant part is the front panel. Do not forget that. I'm using the right side. Okay, so it will be more visible. Twist it this way. You can see how it is on the other part. Take it back this way. Take it once again. Twist it this way once again. Okay. This part to the shoulder line. Place it properly. Like what I said about the neck weight, which is 3 inches into fold on fold 6 inches. See, I'm placing right now to 3 inches. So the twist part we adjust to the chest line. Okay. So the wider the neck weight, the more your twist will drop. Okay. So this part will take it to this other part, to the length, that is to the M line. Pin it. Remember, the wrist part will be leaving 7 inches, 6 inches, or 5 inches within that range, all depending on your preference. So I'll flip it to the wrong side. So the part will be stitching on. Okay, so I'm a bit fast here because the same process. I just want you to understand it better. Yes. For more, twist it once again. So the twisting is done on the front panel to this part. You can see. So the neck we try to make use of 10 inches. So see the wrist part to the end part, just stitch to this part, that is shoulder line, unpin this way, sorry. You create your twist first before you join your shoulder line. Do not forget that. Ignore my machine place. So I'm just joining the shoulder line. This part is simple, as I've given detailed explanation uh, while we're drafting, and the first part that I use the right side of our fabric to stitch to the neck weight. This other part as well, pin it to the wrist as well. That the shoulder line to the wrist. That's from the neck weight to the wrist. That's what we are stitching on right now, guys. So you decide to use 10 inches neck weight. So pin and stitch to the wrist part. So sorry guys, we are through with the shoulder line. So I want to quickly place it as we can see. So the side seam, I want to clean notch it because I'll be doing the aiming when I'm through. So I've notched it now. So I will stitch to the end part, the same to the other piece. That is all. It's really simple, guys. So please, if you find this very interesting, like, okay, comment, share, and if you are new to this channel, please kindly subscribe. And if you're interested in our offline classes for this June section, kindly DM to secure your slot. Okay, so it's all for this tutorial. One good thing about this beautiful front twist bubble top is this: you decide to rock with your jean, yes, your pants. You have seen the situation of the tutorial. I think it really came out well, guys. Yeah, it's just that the camera couldn't capture it properly. It's so beautiful. Okay, so if you decide to try out this beautiful new wig, guys, Yes, and please, you can also follow me on Facebook, at Chi Living Signature, Instagram, Chi Living Signature. Okay, please. I'm trying to flip to the right side. You can see. So you can see what I explained earlier concerning the neck weight. You can see the twist went towards the neck area. You can see, because the neck weight is not that wide. That's why I advise you use 10 inches. My hair is just 6 inches. Okay, so I'll aim it around. Okay, aim this the wrist part, that is the sleeve part, the end part as well. Advise you do the aiming before all this. So this is all for now. I love you all. Bye for now.